What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You're gonna get hooked on these hooks. So I ordered some hooks because I want to hang up some stuff, and I actually wanted to not just hang them up, just to hang them up, but I needed something that in case I removed what I was hanging up and the hook stayed there, it wasn't gonna look bad. And so what I found are, you know, a lot of those removable white plastic hooks, but I found these, and they are, I think they're stainless steel. They've been out in the cold, so I've got fingerprints on them, but they don't look like that. Brushed like stainless steel. It's a single post that sticks out like this, kind of geometric, maybe a little Bauhaus. And then peel foam on the back. They are called like heavy duty. So given the fact that these are pretty heavy, you know, I'd call this like 2 millimeters thick there. They seem nicely made. You can hear them. I get 4 of them here. Basically, what I wanted to do is put this on the side of my bookcase and then put my football helmet on it, my football helmet replica, let it hang without having to worry about it fall down. And if I want to take it off, put something else there, I know this will be in good shape. So let's try it. All right, so here's my bookcase. I've taken the backing off, and I can just put this sucker on there. Just like this. Hopefully it is straight, because it's kind of a little bit of a permanent installation. Probably let it sit there for a minute, but I'm not going to because I like living on the edge. And here is my San Diego Fleet replica helmet. Look at that. Hangs up there just fine. Pretty cool. And then if you want to take it off, you can reuse that hook for pretty much anything you want. Hey, I'll put a link to these in the description. They were like $8 for 4. Peter Von Panda. Out.